Hey, have you heard about the CUI incident that happened in July 1993 in Japan? Fuel gas leaked from a pipe of a marine loading equipment due to CUI. So the pipe was not protected properly against the seawater splash, and the integrity program did not consider that specific location for the seawater to get underneath the installation and cause CUI. So now the question is, does your integrity program consider different environment factor for equipment located in some locations at the same plant where the chance for the water ingress is higher than the others? And do you know how to determine the CUI probability based on the specific location of each and every equipment at the plant? We are RBI CUI, and we produce new and interesting courses in regards to RBI and corrosion, the courses that you won't find anywhere else. We have just released the comprehensive course called RBI in Corrosion Under Installation, and I strongly recommend you to take this course if you are interested in learning more about RBI and corrosion mechanisms like corrosion under installation, CUI. If you're interested, you can click on the link below, and it will take you to a page that provides you more information about that course. See you soon.